Hi everyone. Welcome back to Haru Paw, your go-to channel for all things pet care. Today we're discussing a serious topic that many cat owners might face: what to do if your cat is panting and breathing fast. This can be alarming, and it's crucial to understand the potential causes and what steps to take. Let's dive in. Unlike dogs, cats rarely pant. So when they do, it can be a sign that something is wrong. Let's explore some of the common causes of panting and rapid breathing in cats. There are several reasons why a cat might pant or breathe rapidly. These can range from being overheated to more serious medical conditions. Let's break down the most common causes. Overheating is one of the more common and less serious causes. Cats may pant to cool down if they're too hot. To help, move your cat to a cooler area, provide fresh water, and consider using a fan. Always ensure they have a cool spot to retreat to during hot weather. Stress and anxiety can also cause panting and rapid breathing. Changes in the environment, new pets, or loud noises can trigger this response. Create a calm environment for your cat, use calming sprays or diffusers, and provide plenty of hiding spots and toys to keep them comfortable. Respiratory infections, such as feline upper respiratory infection (URI), can cause difficulty breathing and panting. If you suspect an infection, it's crucial to visit your vet for a proper diagnosis and treatment, which may include antibiotics or other medications. Heart problems, such as heart disease or congestive heart failure, can lead to rapid breathing and panting. A vet can perform tests to diagnose heart issues and prescribe appropriate treatments to manage the condition. Cats can suffer from asthma, which can cause labored breathing and panting. Asthma attacks can be triggered by allergens or stress. If your cat has asthma, your vet may prescribe inhalers or other medications to help control the symptoms and reduce the frequency of attacks. If you notice your cat panting or breathing rapidly, it's important to act quickly. Here's what you can do. First, move your cat to a cool, quiet place to help them calm down. Offer fresh water to keep them hydrated. Check for any signs of stress or anxiety, and try to create a soothing environment for them. Monitor their breathing closely and look for other symptoms such as coughing or lethargy. If the panting persists or if you suspect a medical condition, contact your vet immediately for further evaluation and treatment. Panting and rapid breathing in cats can be a sign of something serious, so paying attention and taking action if you notice these symptoms is important. Always consult your vet if you're unsure or if your cat's condition doesn't improve. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Haru Paw for more pet care tips and advice. Until next time, take care of your furry friends.